There is nothing more attractive than seeing my awesome, amazing, beautiful wife just there typing away. There's your coffee, my love. Good morning.
Morning, thank you.
Okay, so before we continue and I explain to you what this vlog is about, I am going to switch the camera over from my phone to this DJI Pocket 2, which I bought yesterday. Hopefully it's good. Let's go. I know some of you freaks out there like a bit of ASMR. So my new desk has arrived. Hello and welcome to day one of this daily vlog series that doesn't yet have a title, and I'm not sure if it's gonna have a title. I have set myself the challenge of vlogging every single day, and to the person with no context, it's gonna seem like a pretty crazy and over the top idea, but I promise you it's more for me than it is for you. However, I'm not that selfish. I'm also going to use this as an opportunity to answer as many of your questions as possible. Now, we get sent DMs every single day with tons of questions. And like I said, I'm going to use this daily vlog as an opportunity to answer 2 to 3 of those questions every single day. So if I don't answer your question today, don't worry, I might answer it tomorrow. And if it doesn't come out tomorrow, it might be the day after and so forth. You get the picture and you get the idea. So why am I vlogging every single day? Well, recently I have been journaling every single day and it's dramatically changed and improved, not just mine, but Viv's life too. I recommend journaling for anybody that struggles with overthinking, motivation, whether it's motivation to exercise, work, or do anything. Anyone that, gets caught up in their thoughts, or anyone that just needs a bit of structure in their life. Journaling will definitely help you. Now, I use 2 journals. You don't have to use 2 journals. The first journal is a thought-provoking prompts journal. This is great for beginners and for anyone that struggles just to write on a piece of paper at will. So I'll tell you, in fact, I think every day I'm gonna share the prompt with you until you go and buy your own journal, guys. Yeah, you can get this from your local bookstore or you can get it online. The prompt of today, are you ready? The prompt of today, July the 22nd, is the last time I took a nap was. So pause the video and write down very quickly the last time that you took a nap. Are you back? Okay, you're back. The other journal is a blank 1-line-a-day journal. Now I use this in conjunction with whatever book I am reading, and currently my book of the month is Atomic Habits by James Clear. And what I'll do is I read 1 chapter a day and I take my interpretations of that chapter, put it into 2 to 3 bullet points and write it into this journal. Now, this journal will serve as a future self-help, lifestyle, business guru almanac for me, which is a fantastic thing. And it ensures that I read and learn every single day, which I absolutely love. So again, journaling, I recommend to absolutely everybody. Now, you guys also saw me unboxing this amazing piece of tech, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. It's not new, but it's pretty brilliant. But I forgot that I needed a memory card. And so I'm about to head to the shops to go and buy the memory card, and you're gonna come with me because I'm gonna answer 2 or 3 of the questions. So, are you ready? Let's go. You should be coming with me to the mall. I am not your personal taxi driver.
Okay, so question time. All right, so did you work out before meeting each other, or it's something you started together?
Well, Viv and I met each other at 11 years old. So, Viv, did you start working out at 11?
No, but if you want to call a PE working out or doing cross country, athletics and basketball, then yeah. Yeah? Well, fun fact, she was the fastest girl in our year group, the best player at basketball in our year group, well, female basketballer, and also got voted the most sportiest person that's in our yearbook. So yeah, but now we met each other at 11 years old. We said this story before. We started dating at 15, got married at 22, and here we are at 32. Yeah, so I don't know if it is technically we were working out together before.
It was fate, it was meant to be.
But we were active.
Very. literally, Viv got her personal training qualification before I did, and she used to be my personal trainer as well. And she got me into it.
I used to brutalize him in the park.
In the park, it's
You
true.
too? I used to, yeah.
You know, she got fed up with me being in the house, not working out. And also, oh my gosh, before we got married, I remember I used to have this thing where I would say I could change in 2 weeks. I was that guy that wanted the instant results. And literally about a week before our wedding, I was eating KFC, didn't make any changes whatsoever.
Yeah.
And so I've never, this is sad, but I don't actually watch our wedding video or any of that stuff. Actually, I'm going to make an effort to watch that.
I don't even think we have it here in Dubai. So we can't.
Anyway, Viv, I think we're at your place.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
that answers your question. Wow. No tip. No tip.
I'll tip you later.
No tip for your taxi driver. You got white fluff on your bum. Wait.
Huh?
There's some fluff on your bum.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's there on the side. Yeah. All right. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks for the no tip.
See you.
So literally, I clean this car every 2 days. Dubai sand finds its way back onto my car every 2 days. Anyway, I'm at the mall, and there are these guys that do cleaning. Just a gentle clean, costs like 20 dirhams. So you watch, when I come back, this will be sparkling. So this is Mall of Emirates, which is massive, but it's not as big as Dubai Mall. Right, so car is a lot cleaner. And that was a nice little quick job. So I went to go and pick up the stuff. Okay, so very quickly, let's talk nutrition. Now, where a lot of people go wrong is with overeating. And that tends to be usually because you're either bored or you're having a lack of certain nutrients, macronutrients, in particular protein. You need to start eating enough protein. Start including protein in your breakfast, start having way more protein, and you'll notice that you'll stop having certain cravings. That's where I would start when it comes to nutrition. Just for you guys to know, look, we've got, I think, 12 meal plans currently on our website and mobile app, and there's a free trial. You can download all 12 of them. So go to the mobile app, see if you can access all 12, and in each meal plan, we tell you how to calculate your calories according to the goal that you seek. But really, the nutrition thing is a lot easier to sort out once you're able to kind of start making sure to include all your macronutrients. And I am back home. Now, we've got time for one more question. Two more questions. Viv, this question is for you. Well, actually, a lot of the questions are for Viv, obviously. What do you like most about, or what do you like most in MrandMrsMuscle?
In MrandMrsMuscle?
Yeah, what do you like most let's just try to make this a very clean question and a clean answer. What do you like most about MrandMrsMuscle?
MrandMrsMuscle.
What do you like most about MrandMrsMuscle?
I like that you're funny. You make me laugh all the time.
Good. You guys can't see that. Keep going.
You're really thoughtful. He's very thoughtful. He's caring. I also like that you do a lot, actually.
Oh, thank you.
He always offers me anything, really.
Basically, I do loads of things. I'm good.
Food,
I'm awesome.
drinks.
I'm joking. I shouldn't say it about myself.
I wish he offered me more massages, though.
Sorry, I can't do it, man. I'm too butch with these hands. Like, this is the type of massage.
That's true.
Okay, I think we'll squeeze one more question in there, and we get asked this quite a lot, and that is, where did we get this lovely couch? It's from, do you remember where it's from? Crate and Barrel.
Crate and Barrel, yeah.
Crate and Barrel. So if you have a Crate and Barrel store, Nick, do you remember the name of this couch? Oh, sorry, I don't remember the name. If I find the name, I'll edit it in somewhere. But that's the last question. Welcome to day one. Again, day one is the beginning of something. And make today your day one, and try and do the journal prompts that I gave you. And just jump on this everyday vlog journey with me. So yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Peace.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Okay. You're gonna start the daily vlog tomorrow?
No, I was just helping you finish.
Oh, she's fantastic. Peace.